Ah.
We are going to learn about the life of the people of Northern Plain. The Satluj is the river and the heavy river flow through Punjab. So the main occupation of people of Punjab is agriculture, and Punjab, as the land is very fertile. So what are the crops grown in Punjab? Here is wheat, rice and sugar cane. And Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. The Chandigarh is the capital of both the states, Punjab and Haryana. And Chandigarh is a very neat and well laid out city. The other big cities of Punjab are Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Amritsar, Patiala, and many tourists visit Golden Temple in Amritsar. The language they spoke here is Punjabi and Hindi, and the people celebrate Gurupurab, Baisakhi, Lodi and Diwali. The traditional dress of women is salwar kameez with dupatta. Men usually wear lungi with kurta. Next state it is Haryana. Haryana is situated by the rivers Yamuna and Satluj, which provide water for irrigation. Wheat, rice and sugar cane are the main crops grown here. Haryana also has many industries that manufactures cycles, tractors, sewing machines, cars, etc. Okay, and Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Karnal, Panipat and Kurukshetra are the well-known cities of Haryana. And the language here it is at Harinavi and Hindi. And the traditional dress of women is Gangra kurta, men wear dhoti kurta. Next is Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. It is located in the bank of the Yamuna river. And language is Hindi and Punjabi, and people celebrate all major festivals here. And tourists from all over the world visit Delhi to see many monuments like Qutub Minar, Red Fort, etc. Delhi also has a wonderful museum such as Railway Museum and National Museum. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state, well drained by Ganga Basin. The land is in this state is very fertile. Where do we all live? We live in Uttar Pradesh. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, pulses and oil seeds are the main crops. Many industries are also developed. Kanpur is one of the biggest industrial city in Lucknow. City. Okay, Kanpur is one of the biggest industrial city, and Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. And what is Lucknow is famous for? Lucknow is famous for the embroidery called chikan. The other major cities of Uttar Pradesh are Agra, Meerut, Kanpur, Allahabad, and Varanasi. And Uttar Pradesh, in Agra, Taj Mahal is very famous. And Hindi and Urdu are the language spoken here. People celebrate Holi, Dussehra, Diwali, Eid and Christmas. And the traditional dress of women is sari, while men wear kurta, pajama. Next is Bihar. Bihar is well trained by the Ganga Basin. The famous Mahatma Gandhi Setu has been built across the Ganga, which is connect Patna to North Bihar. And this Mahatma Gandhi Setu is one of the longest bridge in the world. Bihar is also good for mineral crops, mainly coal and iron ore are here. Most of the people in Bihar live in villages where agriculture is the main crops occupation. Rice is the main crops of the state. Hindi, Bhojpuri, Maithili and Urdu are the main language spoken here. People celebrate Diwali, Dussehra and Chat and Eid and Tej. Okay, and Patna is the capital of Bihar. Nanda and Gaya are the cities of historical importance. Next, we are learning about West Bengal. The richest deposit of river Ganga have made plain of West Bengal very fertile. Because of the river Ganga, they have West Bengal is very fertile. It's this state is located on the coast of Bay of Bengal. It has a long coastline too. Most of the people live in rural areas are farmers. Rice and jute are the main crops grown in the state. West Bengal has industries that make engineering goods, automobiles, railway coaches, and jute goods. Okay, then another important is West Bengal is well known for its handicraft, particularly beautifully woven silk and cotton saree, traditionally embroidery called kanda. That's cotton saree traditionally is very famous here. Main language is Bengali. The biggest festival of state is Durga Puja. The traditional saree women, the traditional dress of women is saree. Men wear dhoti kurta, and Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Next is Assam. Assam is well drained by the river Brahmaputra. In fact, most of the Assamese main towns are located by the river. And the main crops are here rice and jute. Tea is grown in the lower slopes of the hills. People of Assam celebrate Bihu. It's a harvest festival. Okay. Then the state has a huge deposit of petroleum. The main language is spoken is Assamese. Dispur is the capital of Assam. So these are the main states of northern plains. So children, read the lesson very carefully and learn it.